Oh my goodness, look at that. Beautiful maple with a crotch section in it. This entire tree is just absolutely beautiful heart in it. Just look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Man, look at that. Beautiful pieces of wood. I got one more right here with a nice crotch section in there, and actually there's another one up in there. Wow. One log produced all this beauty. Nice stuff. Nice stuff. All right, one more piece. Might as well get it all cleaned off because I'm going to treat these with the penacrol. So, man, isn't that beautiful? This one actually has two in it. And just look at that. Look how beautiful nature is. And some of you will be really happy. I'm using the steel, the MS 271. Probably my favorite saw. General purpose, does pretty much anything around here I need.